Dylan, we found us a spot. Did we find us a good spot? Oh, babe, there we go. Oh, it's pretty big sunfish. Check that out, y'all. On that little rubber-legged looking jig. It's a kind of a green sunfish, red ear hybrid, maybe. Not real sure. Pretty fish though. See you, bud. Crystal clear water too. Let's get another one. It's surprisingly deep over there. Oh, it's a little smallmouth. Oh, he got off. That was a little smallie. Oh yeah, smallie. Don't come off, buddy. Huh? Yeah. Yes. Smallmouth. Chill, bud. Oh yeah. Look at that brownie. Finally got a smallmouth. A little, I don't know, 7-incher probably. On that little brown and gold jig. Check him out. It doesn't get any better than that. Oh, see you, bud. Nice. All right, y'all. Lunchtime at the creek. We're getting everything ready. Got the hot dogs on the camp stove. We're gonna get them all warmed up. We got buns and chips. What do you think, Dylan? You ready for a hot dog? Did you have fun swimming? Do you like this creek? Yeah. There's our view. This is fun. This creek is fun, yes sir. Who's going in the water? Is that a good looking tree, buddy? Nope, go under it. Yeah. Watch out for snakes. Interesting. Me and Dylan are hanging out. We're trying to catch some more of these little smallmouth. Dylan's throwing his rocks. Check out the little dam people have got built here all the way across this little creek.
No, this is a big creek.
Big old creek, yep. This is the Cossatot River. Pretty cool. It's crystal clear water. I'll get the GoPro in a case here in a minute and I'll show y'all some underwater footage. Show you how clear it really is. But Cossatot is an Indian word for skull crusher. And it's known for having huge rocks, especially further downstream than we are. We're up really close to the head of it. But pretty interesting. Hope y'all are enjoying it. Got a smallmouth. That was super exciting. Beautiful smallmouth. So yeah, y'all keep hanging out. It's gonna be a fun day. We're just out creek hopping, enjoying the summertime. And y'all keep hanging out, and we'll see you in a second. Another smallie. Ouch. Another smallmouth. Oh.
Dylan, if that goes on the other side, we're not getting it.
Oh, smallie. Another smallie. It may be the same smallie. Come on, buddy. These things are amazing. Chill out. Oh, it's definitely not the same one. This one's quite a bit smaller. Chill. He's mad about it. You did it, bud. Look at that. Try to get a somewhat of a thumbnail or something. As soon as I let go, it even splashed me in the face. Nice. All right, y'all. I've downsized to a little 1/80th ounce. It's a hackle feather on a little resin body. I'm gonna see if I can hook up with any of these little bitty panfish. If I can get a little sunfish or something to bite. There we go. Little bitty smallie. Thought I'd get a sunfish with that little guy. Oh, popped off. Letting him flop around. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh,
that's that big one.
Do you need help?
No.
Can you grab it?
No, but that's that big one for sure. This is the biggest one in the creek.
Get it on the bank.
I can't. I've got 2-pound line. I gotta. Come on, buddy.
Oh man, I wish I had the GoPro in the water right now.
Oh. Yes. That's a big one. Ouch. Check that out. Check that out, guys. 1/80th ounce. Smallie. Fat. Creek smallie. Check him out. Little bitty jig. Let me get him unbuttoned and I'll get him back in the water here.
Okay, Daddy, release our fish. Hang on. We don't have to go all the way over there.
All right. One last look at that little smallmouth. I'm gonna get him back in the water here. See you, bud. There he went. Awesome. Whew. How about that, guys? That was so much fun. Check this out. Did y'all see that little bitty jig too? That is a 1/80th ounce. Just a little gold head. Some little rubber legs, brown body. Tearing them up in the creek. We're having a blast. Cossatot River. We got Dylan out there. It's Dylan and Mama Sophie out there swimming. And it does not get any more beautiful than this right here. I mean, this is awesome. Whoa, look at that. Look at that little bitty guy. I didn't even know he was on there.
You have a flotation device.
Look at the colors on this little dude.
Okay. All right.
Little long ear, I believe.
You need to take your shoes off? Kick. Kick. There you go. There you go. Nice. He's swimming.
He's just a little bitty guy. See ya.